Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You're starting the locking process now. First, confirm your Mac OS version and that you have a password or Touch ID set. Open System Settings or System Preferences and go straight to Lock Screen or Security and Privacy. Once there, enable Require Password after sleep or screensaver begins and choose an interval. You do this so your Mac can demand authentication quickly. Make sure notifications and background apps won't keep the display awake. Adjust energy saver or battery settings next. Now configure immediate lock methods. Set Require Password to immediately or a short delay like 5 seconds so your Mac locks without lag. Add the lock screen icon to Control Center or menu bar for one-click access. Once done, set a hot corner to start screensaver or use the built-in shortcut control command queue. These let you lock instantly with mouse or keys. You're enforcing access control. Make sure the chosen methods don't conflict with full-screen apps or external displays while you test them. Finish by testing your setup. Press Control Command Q or use the menu icon. You should see the password or Touch ID prompt. If the lock doesn't appear, double-check sleep and display sleep settings so the system can trigger the lock. Once done, inspect login items and accessibility permissions that might prevent locking. If problems persist, reboot and, as a last resort, reset the SMC/PRAM. This often fixes hardware-related sleep or lock issues and restores normal locking behavior.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.